Hi, it's Mary, a traditional Chinese medicine tutor and an acupuncturist in Canada.
Below, I will explain briefly 7 visceral exhaustion pulses for your information.
1. Boiling cauldron pulse, Fu-Fei-Mai.
The boring cauldron pulse is very superficial, as though sitting right on the top of the skin, extremely floating and hasty, with its pulse beat rate unclear to count, resembling the bubbling of water in a cauldron. It is superficial without a root. This pulse indicates extreme heat in the 3 yang channels, accompanied by depletion of yin fluids, a pattern often observed before death.
2. Fish swimming pulse, Yu-Xiang-Mai.
Fish swimming pulse is superficial, as though on the skin with a steady head and a restless tail, almost imperceptible, like a fish swimming in water. This pulse signifies extreme cold in the 3 yin channels, where the floating yang is being rejected to the exterior.
3. Shrimp swimming pulse, Xia-You-Mai.
Shrimp swimming pulse is superficial, as though sitting on the skin, resembling the movement of a shrimp in water. Sometimes it jumps unpredictably and then disappears, but after a while it comes back again. Shrimp swimming pulse presents a sense of agitation and reflects a solitary yang without being checked by yin, signifying restlessness and instability.
4. Leaky roof pulse, Wu-Lou-Mai.
The leaky roof pulse is felt between the tendons and the bones, like water dripping slowly from a leaky roof, one drop after a long while, irregular and weak. That is the pulse, slow, nodded, and intermittent. This pulse indicates the impending exhaustion of the stomach qi, defensive wei qi, and nutritive yin qi.
5. Bird pecking pulse, Que-Zhuo-Mai.
The bird perking pulse is felt between the muscles and tendons, similar to a bird pecking food. Sometimes it pecks rapidly several times, and then stops for a break, and then pecks again. It indicates a decayed spleen and stomach, with the essence qi exhausted internally.
6. Untangling rope pulse, Jie-Suo-Mai.
The untangling rope pulse is in between the muscles and the tendons, fluctuating between rapid and slow, not even, and scattered like a tangled rope being unraveled. It suggests that the kidney and the life gate primordial qi are nearing exhaustion.
7. Stone striking pulse, Tan-Shi-Mai.
The stone striking pulse is under the muscles and tendons, feeling like using fingers to flick a stone, with a sharp and stiff quality, entirely lacking sensation of softness and gentleness. This pulse signifies the depletion of kidney qi.
If you find this video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe to it, and share it with others. See you in my next video. All the best!